Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tay, and I'm back with another video. I wanted to hit you guys over the head with something a little bit different than what I'm used to. You know, I'm the nude and, kind of neutral color girl. So I wanted to try something fun, bright, and bold. So this is what I came up with. So if you like what you see, please keep watching and I'll show you how I achieved it. Alright, so to get started, we're going to start with our eyebrows. Of course, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to sculpt myself a nice straight brow, which is, of course, my favorite eyebrow shape. I'm going to start experimenting with eyebrow shapes eventually, but for now, this is what works. So here you see me with the end of my brush just doing some flicking motions, and that's just going to help with the appearance of hair-like strokes. So if you have a problem where your eyebrows are looking a little bit square or boxy in the front, just try flipping your brush upside down and dipping your brush into the product and then lightly stroking upwards, and that will give a more hair-like appearance. Now to clean up my brows, I'm using my favorite concealer of all time, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Cafe. And I'm just going to clean up and perfect my eyebrows with that just by using a flat brush and just making sure that my eyebrows are neat. So to help my eyebrows look like they are attached to my face and not floating, I'm just going to take a brush and blend out the concealer. Once that's done, I'm going to take this liquid lipstick called Rockstar, and it's by Colored Rain, and I'm going to carve out a line that I'm going to be using as my cut crease. So I've used this technique before, which is using a liquid lipstick as something to help, create a cut crease. And the reason why I did it this way is because I find it a lot easier to cut my crease with, and it looks very sharp. It looks as if, I used an eyeshadow that was super pigmented, but in reality, I'm using my liquid lipsticks. So I would suggest doing that as a way to help find new uses for your liquid lipsticks that you don't use as much. So taking a liquid lipstick, I'm going to cut out a cut crease. I'm going to start from the front and work my way to the back. Keep in mind, you can do any shape you want. If you wanted to do like a circle, or you wanted to do like a wing-like motion like I am, you can do whichever you prefer. I'm doing the wing-like style, and I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to blend it all out. You could use a fluffy brush if you want to, but if you want to keep a more pigmented look, you should use a synthetic flat brush and just lightly tap out and blend going upwards. Now using a lime green, I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that over the top of the navy line that I did for my cut crease. And you're just going to add the color gradually and just blend it and buff it in. Now I'm going to be using a liquid glue, and that's usually what I use for my lashes, but I'm going to use that as an adhesive for my glitter that I'm going to put underneath the cut crease that I've laid down so far, and I'm just applying it in the shape of the cut crease. Now I'm using a teal colored glitter that I got from the Cara cosmetic palette, and I'm going to take that and place it over the glue that I've already laid down. want you to keep in mind that the glue application doesn't necessarily have to be 100% perfect, neither does the glitter, because you can always take a fluffy brush and dust off whatever mistakes that you've made with the glitter. Now I'm going to lay down some concealer, and this is going to be my primer for my nude color that I'm going to lay down underneath the glitter. So I'm just shaping that in the shape of the cut crease so that it's all fluid. Now I'm taking that nude color and I'm going to apply that all over the top of the concealer, and you're going to see how it starts to all take shape. Next step, of course, is to add some liquid eyeliner. I'm using black, and this is just by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite liquid liners of all time, and I'm gonna apply a really bold, fierce cat eye, and I'm just going to make sure that it's not too thick to where it's overpowering the nude eyeshadow that I laid down, but not too thin to the point where when I put my lashes on you don't see it. So I'm using some Milk Jumbo Pencil underneath my eyes to help make the lime green that I'm going to apply stand out even more. Without it, the lime green won't really show up as much, so I would suggest using the white, even though it looks a little crazy right now. Once you add the navy blue on top, it'll look much better. So here you're going to see me apply the navy blue really close to my lash line, and that's going to help transform the look and make it more fluid and continuous. So our next step is going to be to apply some dark blue liner. This is like a navy blue. It's by Urban Decay, and I believe the shade is Midnight. And I'm going to apply that in the lash line just to add some drama. So I did apply my lashes off camera, but I am applying some bottom mascara here. This is by e.l.f. It's their 3-in-1 mascara. Finish off the look, I'm going to be doing a nude lip look, which is my pretty much go-to for every lip look. I'm going to use Madeline Lip Gloss by NYX, and it's from their Butter Gloss collection. And then I'm going to be using the, I believe it's Black Brown lip liner by NYX as well. And I'm just going to purse my lips together, blend the two in, and voila, it's all done. So this should be the finished product. Hopefully it came out something like this, you know, it doesn't have to be exact, but this is what I came up with, and I hope you like the way it looks. I personally find it to be fun, bold, interesting, you know, just a little bit of crazy in there as well. So hopefully you all like it, and stay tuned to the end of this video because I got a little something special for y'all. That's right, y'all, it is giveaway time. I know you guys are so excited because I'm excited. So this giveaway is going to be something that is near to my heart, which is going to be skincare. So I've partnered with Earthen Skincare, and we are super excited to give away some of these wonderful products that they have to offer. Their products are natural, very good for the skin, and going to help with any kind of facial elements that you may have. This is perfect just in time for the spring, so we can all have that fresh glowing skin that we all love and crave. So get excited because I know I am. So if you would like to enter the contest for this particular giveaway, please follow these specific rules. So these rules are going to be relatively easy. All you're going to have to do is follow @Earthen_skincare on Instagram. You're going to also follow me, Tay, on both Instagram and YouTube, and then you're going to comment done when you've done rule number 1 and rule number 2. These are very easy, very simple rules, and I will be picking the winner very soon. Once the winner has been decided, Earthen Skincare is going to hit you up personally and get your information and send you off your product. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to pick out the winner. This is my first giveaway, so this is really big and important to me. I want to give back to the people who have supported me. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.